YouTube? It's Ron here again, and I got my Mavic 2 Pro. Pretty excited, just got it in the mail. Now this unboxing isn't going to be your traditional unboxing. I might just go over like the controller and things real quick, but this is going to be completely unscripted and just opening up. I've seen a few guys on Facebook. They've hit me up personally, a few of them. And also seen a big thing going around about the gimbal being glued on, but a couple guys on Facebook say that as soon as they open it up, they haven't flown it, there's scratches and nicks and whatnot on the actual gimbal. And a couple guys said that the gimbal, when you turn it, doesn't feel like it turns all the way, that it's scraping on something. So I want to check that out. That's what this video is all about. It's about, you know, kind of just getting it as soon as out of the box. You're going to see it directly out of the box. So a couple things about the gimbal that you know, everybody thought was going to be a major issue. You know, I've seen a couple of other YouTubers out there. Mr. Ken Dobo, you know, had a phenomenal video. Like, dude, this is a non-issue. I'm going to kind of side with him because this is DJI, man. These guys actually make a hell of a drone. So, but I am prepared just in case the gimbals, you know, is glued on there. So I brought my repair kits with me, and I'm 100% prepared for that in case it does pop off. So got my glue sticks here, I'm ready to roll. So, you know, but before I go into this further, I want to kind of talk about the importance to me of ordering from a dealer. I choose the dealer Drone-works. These guys are phenomenal. They've never did me dirty. Great guys that work over there. They really care about their customers. But if I get this and it's all scratched and dented or whatever the case may be, I'm sending the damn thing back. And I know those guys over there are going to get my back. They're going to help speed the process up as opposed to waiting for months to get my drone back, like I've had to wait previous with my P4P when I had an issue. So, you know, let's go ahead and dig into this thing. I'm going to move my XSP here real quick. I already took the plastic off because, as you know, why not? So, all right, let's check this boy out. There we go. So just real quick, the controller, pretty much identical to the Mavic Air controller with the knobs there. The controller is obviously gray instead of black. You know, feels about the same. Maybe a little bit more solid. The plastic seems a little bit more solid. But this is the important part. Now I do notice that these drones look pretty darn similar. So let me move the Evo out of here too. There you go, bud. There we go. Just a little bigger, I mean, like the spec said. But I'm gonna hop up now, I'm gonna walk over there and let's go check out this together. This is gonna be the checking out of that camera and the gimbal together. Let's check it out. I'm gonna take this off here. There we go. The gimbal, the gimbal guard rather, is a little different. It looks very comparable to the old one, but it looks like it has a touch of the Mavic Air in there as well. So, what I mean by that, you see like that. You see how that right there, if you guys have the Mavic Air, it slides in and it connects like that. Let's check this bad boy out. So as you see, all the plastic is still on. I'm not seeing anything. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, no, we're good there. So far, so good, guys. I'm not seeing any scratches or nicks or anything. All right, big question is this going to shoot straight down? Let's see this. There we go. I'm not going to touch the lens, obviously, but look at that, guys. So obviously, it's going to shoot straight down. So any guy who's like, that's a deal breaker for me, it's not. You're not going to have any issues shooting straight down. I mean, the gimbal seems to move fine, guys. I'm not seeing any issues with this. I'm not seeing any glue stains. So, but yeah, guys, this is a solid drone. I mean, comparing this to the Mavic, okay? Let me take this off. Hold on 1 second. take the gimbal guard off real quick. Okay. So as you guys see in the Mavic, I've always complained about this. This is cheap. I don't like the gimbal on this thing. You know, that's why I hardly ever fly it. But the gimbal on this bad boy, I mean, guys, this is solid, dude. Any guy out there who's saying this is junk is, I'm going to disagree. I mean, this is a solid built drone. Guys, I mean, seriously, I mean, it is, look how much bigger the battery is. Look at that, guys. So, this is a good solid drone. The plastic is really well built. Again, I mean, as you guys see on the gimbal, I'm not seeing any issues with the gimbal whatsoever. It is going to shoot straight down. Again, going to kind of point that out to you. So, get back over here. Wanted you guys to kind of get the first look at my new Mavic 2 Pro. The zoom is on the way, which I ordered from Drone-works. Guys, let me just tell you something real quick. So I know there's if you've been out there, I mean, there's going to be a few bad ones, you know, no matter what company you buy, whether it's Ford, Toyota, DJI, Autel, whatever, there's going to be a couple in there that are maybe less than perfect. So, but I got a good one here, it looks like. I'm going to get it up in the air, do some comparisons. In the comment section below, if there's anything specific you want to see, this compared to this, compared to this, compared to that, whatever the case may be, let me know. I do plan on doing a numerous amount of tests on there, as I do with all the drones. Guys, if you want to order it, go ahead and click the link below to Drone-works. They're going to go ahead and get those sent out to you, just as mine was. Guys, this is, I'm excited. I'm like a kid on Christmas morning. I'm pretty stoked about this. The one thing I'm actually really happy about is the gimbal guard. I know it sounds dumb, but this is a vast improvement over this piece of junk right here that barely stays in and whatnot. So again, if there's anything you guys want to see, go ahead and click the link below. And then also, if you want to go and get that purchase, go ahead and click the link below. Follow us on Facebook. We have a couple of groups to choose from. Drones United is my main group that I admin in and I started. Phenomenal group of guys, plenty of knowledge in there. The Quad Father, phenomenal group as well. But guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys pick up the Mavic 2 Pro or the Mavic 2 Zoom. I'm excited about getting the Zoom, but if there's anything you guys want to see, go ahead and ask below and we'll go ahead and get it done. Thanks for watching and fly safe.